So I just got a PR package from Artistry. I wanted to do a quick little unboxing, and of course children walk in the door as soon as I want to start something. Say hello. That's my daughter Anjali over there. Hello.
What do you want me to do?
Charge my laptop for me, please. So anyway, oh, and now the other one too, because I have a full house with kids all over here. Anyway, let me just close that door. All right, so here's my packages. I want my products. I'm so excited to get a chance to swatch these for you guys. So Artistry Studio just launched another edition. It's called the Shanghai edition, and you have your softest silk hand cream, ooh, soft and silk eye pop trio. There's 3 different colors. I'm gonna swatch those for you guys. Then there's the light up matte lip, light up silky. Ooh, light up. I'm excited about that. There's lights in there. Silky matte lip color. Then there's 3 different fragrances, rollerballs, which is awesome because when you're on the go. 2 new face primers. There's a matte finish face primer. I can't wait to use these on my clients this weekend. And then there's a glow finishing primer. And then you have your liquid eyeliner pens. So that's a lot of stuff for me to show you guys, but I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and swatch. So here, I'm gonna swatch these. There's 4 lip colors here that are the light up lip colors. There's cherry red, there's spice red, and there's, wow, lots of red, berry red, and rose red. That's a lot of red. Okay, so that's a lot of red. But if you guys are watching this at home, you know, I want you to know there's different reasons or purposes for using a red color. So here's the rose red. And since they said it was light up, woo, and there's a mirror over here. So this is really, you know why I like this? Because it has like a bite-sized amount. I almost feel like it has just enough. You use it, you make, like sometimes you buy a huge tube of lip color and you lose it. And then you're like, oh, darn it. But this has a good enough size that you can like use it and like not worry about losing it, and you actually finish. Like there's such a satisfying feeling to when you actually finish the product. Here's the matte red. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand. So you can see there's the, and so this color has like more of like a berryish color, rose red. This is really good for like anybody that has like a darker skin tone, has like more olives in their skin tones. Berries tend to look really good on them. Ooh, this is a spice red. All right, there's that spice red. And I'm gonna go ahead and again, open that red. You can see, and I'm gonna swatch it on my hand over here. And you can see this is a completely different red. And what I find is that the different types of red, they basically, this one has like more blue. And so this is really nice for someone who is a lighter skin tone, a lot maybe fairer. That's gonna look really, really good on them. And then you have your cherry red. So cherry, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit darker. Let's go ahead and see. Oh no, whoa, it's very bright. You can see that. Another nice bright red. You know what, I feel like with any looks I've seen from like Shanghai, they really focus on like a really good red lipstick. So I think that's the inspiration behind having all these reds. This has more orange in it, this color. And this is also good for someone who's fairer skin tone. Now that I'm looking at this one, the blue red, this would still look good on like somebody who is a darker skin tone. This you can definitely go with someone who's very, very fair, okay? And then the next one is, let's see, berry red. Okay, so it's funny because I almost felt like this one was berry red, but look at this. This is like, I love to call it like the vampy type of red lip color. It's so fun. It's perfect for the fall. So let's go ahead and swatch that one. And I'm gonna put it right next to the other darker one so you can really see that these colors, ooh, I put that a little too close, but you can see these colors are truly like all different types of red. I'm actually gonna, in another video, I'll probably try all of them on. I just wanted to like do an unboxing so you guys can see them. All right, those are the reds. All right guys, so on to trying on the eyeliners. This is the Shanghai Liquid Pen Pop Eyeliner, so you can see what they look like. I love the packaging, it's very simple, very clean, and it looks very, very nice. It also, one thing about the Artistry packaging, I'll tell you, I bought other products, like I've bought drugstore products, I've bought department store products, I bought lots of different products. They spend a lot of money on actually making sure the packaging doesn't break. Like their skincare packaging, in addition to the makeup, is amazing. Like you can drop something like 10 times and it's not gonna break. Like it's literally, I feel bad throwing out the empty containers because the packaging was done so well. Anyway, so this is Liquid Pen Pop Silk Slate. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch that for you. Ooh, that's like a blue. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. That looks really, really good. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do Silk Slate. And it looks kind of like a blue, almost like a blue gray. Oh no, it's really a really nice gray color. Look at that color. That is so pretty. And then the last one, Silk Iron. So it's like probably your traditional black, I'm thinking. No, it's like a dark brown. Oh my God, I love dark brown eyeliners. I absolutely love dark brown eyeliners. I always use like a smudgy brown. Like you can even see I have something like that on my eyes today. But I love even clean eyeliners, and I'm gonna definitely create some really fun looks with these eyeliners. So stay tuned. All right, we're gonna go on to the Eye and Cheek Pop Duos. This is Shanghai Peach. I love it because it has like the eyeshadows. This is really nice because you can use this as like a brow highlight. You can use this as dark, like it's like a dark brown. I'm gonna actually swatch it so you guys can see it right here. Ooh, that's, oh my God, it feels so soft and like, it feels really soft. I haven't felt like eyeshadow like that felt this soft in a really, really long time. But you can see, look at it, has a little bit of shimmer. So you can use that as like your eyeshadow like in the inner corner, and then you can buff it out with some of this darker brown. And then this is the blush. And you can incorporate the blush even into your eyeliner, but you can, oh wow, that feels so nice. And there's like the soft, it looks really kind of like red in the pan, but it feels so nice. You can see right there that like peachy blush you can incorporate into your eyeshadow. So I love it because it's all magnetic and it has a mirror, okay? So you can kind of see the mirror, what's going on in the mirror. It all kind of clips together, and so there you go. It is magnetic, so the blush goes in the center, and then this one goes right at the bottom. It all clips together, and it's nice because on the go, it's an easy, I love it because I like things really, really clean. And so for me, I find this is very easy to clean versus like those tiny little eyeshadows or blushes in a pan that are not removable. This is its own entity. This is its own entity. You can wipe it clean, spray it. It's very COVID friendly. Shanghai Nudes. And if you know me, I'm all about the nude. I barely have any makeup on right now, and I really don't care. I feel good with it. I put this on at 5 o'clock this morning, and it's almost 7 o'clock at night right now, and I still feel good. And you have your really nice nude colors. I love sometimes just giving like when I'm doing my eye makeup, I love giving myself the no makeup look. And that's something that everybody goes for. And that basically is when you do like colors on your skin that are almost like your skin tone. And I feel like this almost is my skin tone. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and swatch it. So again, I can't, like, this is so silky, guys. Oh my God, it feels so nice. But look at that, it's blending right in. And this is a really nice lid color. You can also use this lighter one to, you know, maybe do a pop in the inner corner. You can pop it onto the brow bone. That, I definitely will be rocking that color, and I'll be showing you a tutorial on makeup, no makeup look. Then there's that blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the blush. You can kind of see what it looks like there, and there it is. Oh, it's like see how now you can really tell that has a little bit more, this looks a little bit more peach to me. This looks a little bit more like reddish. So even though this is the Shanghai Peach collection, I feel like this has more pink in it, a little bit more berry. This to me looks like more true, like a corally, peachy pink. So, and that's your blush. Alrighty, let's move on to the next batch. And then the last one with your mirror is the Starlight, Shanghai Starlight. And look at these colors, guys, like very pretty. You have the blue, which looks amazing. I can't wait to swatch that. You have that glittery silver, and then you have, this looks like a highlight. I definitely think this is more of a highlight than a blush, which I love because I have all three. So now I can use this on like my brow bone, my cheekbones, highlight everywhere, my collarbone, wherever I want to highlight, my shoulders. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Last swatch, there's that blue. Look at that blue. Wow. This color feels very buildable. So like I can keep building on if I want more of a blue, like a deep blue. I can wet my makeup brush. Here's a pro tip. You can wet your makeup brush and dip it into the blue and like put it on, and it's gonna come out even a little bit more intensified. Here is the silver. Gosh, I have makeup all over my hands, but look at that silver. Oh, that's really pretty. That actually comes out really nice and bright too. And I love when you get makeup that's good for you makeup. It's not like full of harsh chemicals or different ingredients that you don't know. A lot of the Artistry ingredients are, they're actually launching a new vegan line next month, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. This is like a lot of, more natural ingredients. I can list them in the link below. But here's that highlighter. Really nice. So there's the entire swatch of all the collection. You have your Shanghai Peach, your Shanghai Nudes, and your Shanghai Starlight. All right, 2-in-1 perfecting primers. One for glow, one for matte. And I'm gonna really quickly, before I show you guys these, I'm gonna walk you through when you use a matte primer versus when you use a glow primer. If you're more normal to dry skin, you're gonna need something that's gonna make your skin glow, give you a little bit more dewiness, more hydration. That is equivalent to like, more youthful looking skin. On matte, you already have the glow. You have a lot of oil in your face. You don't like too much shine. You don't want too much reflection. Also, if you're gonna be in a lot of hot lights, in a spotlight, you definitely wanna make sure you mattify yourself versus, glowing. And so here's the packaging for both of them. These girls are funny. Okay, all right, so here's the matte finish primer. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the top of my hand for this particular example. Then the other one is the glowing primer. And I mean, they're just different. You can see one is a lot more creamy. It has a little bit more, it's a more liquidy formula. It's already giving that glow to my skin. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. And then this is a little bit more matte. It feels like it's a little bit of a different texture. It's a drier texture, I feel like. And it's not like, it's just more, it's all matte. So you can see if you look at the front of my hand, it's glowing, and then the back of my hand is more matte. So that's the matte and the glowing primer. So I'm really excited for you guys to get a chance. And remember, dry skin, glow yourself up. More oily skin, you probably want to be more mattified. All right? Let's go on to the next. Okay, so I just opened the rollerballs and I'm just loving the packaging again. I think it's presented really well in a nice sliding box, so it makes a really nice gift. There's a little tie in the front and it comes kind of really nice, and already I can smell the fragrance. The art is done really, really well also, so it makes a really pretty gift. This scent is Plum Blossom Vanilla Musk. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna open up the rollerball, and I'm actually gonna, I've been like falling in love with having a rollerball wherever I go. I think it's like a really nice thing when you don't wanna carry like the big perfumes when you're traveling or just when you're on the go, but this is really nice. It has a very light vanilla type of smell to it. I don't like really heavy fragrances. So for me, this is like the perfect scent because it's very light. Let's go to the next one. We have Nectar Blossom. And again, I love they're sticking with the themes of even like the lipsticks, which is really fun. Oh, that smells really good too. It's another light fragrance. This is Nectar Blossom and Pomelo. Pomelo. I don't know what that, I've never heard of that term before. Like a flower or something, but it smells really, really good. Oh, it's nice. And you know what? It gives you just enough. It like kind of lets a good amount out. Like when you roll it, you can kind of see there's like a good amount that comes out. And if you're sitting here at home wondering, where do you use a rollerball? It's like putting perfume on, so you can put it on the back of your ears, put it on the tip of your nose if you're wearing a mask and you want to smell good underneath that mask. You can put it in your mask, you can put it underneath your chin, you can put it on all your pulse points, so right here, you can also put it like here, you can put it there, you can put it there. No, I'm joking. But you can put it anywhere you want. So again, another light scent. So I really like that. Good job, Artistry. I don't know who you hired for this. They did a good job. And then this one is Lotus Blossom and Violet. Violet reminds me of those candies. I don't know if you guys remember those candies back in the day that come in like the purple packaging and they're called violets. That's what Violet reminds me of. That's what it took me back to. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use another hand for this. Should have brought some coffee beans with me to like get rid of each of the smells, but it's fine. Okay, this one is the strongest one, but it smells really good. This has a very fruit, like a very fragrancy, like it has like a lot of floral. It's very, very floral. So if you like a little bit of a heavier scent, definitely go with the Lotus Blossom and Violet. I even like this one. It's not too heavy for me, but it's definitely stronger than all the other ones. All right, guys. Last part of the Shanghai edition. It is super pouring outside right now as we're filming this. I don't know where this thunderstorm came from, so it suddenly got really, really dark in here. These are the soft as silk. I love how they describe these things. Soft as silk hand cream. You have vanilla, lotus blossom, and your pomelo. Ring any bells? Ding, ding, ding. All right, so really quickly, I'm just gonna really quickly try them for you guys. I think that what they basically did, Artistry, was they wanted to create something because hand moisturization is super important. As you age, your age starts to show on your hands. Guys, gals, you wanna make sure that you're moisturizing regularly. Like you moisturize your face, your body, you need to moisturize your hands and your neck. Don't forget your neck. All right, so smelling this. Okay, it smells good. This is the pomelo, which, by the way, I didn't know what pomelo was. So my girlfriend here, Balkis, who's filming this, she looked it up for me, and it's a fruit, right? What kind of fruit is it?
It's a citrus.
It's a citrus fruit. Oh, it smells good, but there's lots of scents going on here right now, guys. I'm sorry, but it does feel soft as silk hand cream. And it's nice because it does come closed. So again, very COVID friendly, fresh. You know that what you're getting is a good product. You can see it's kind of nice. It's like very smooth. What ingredients are there in here? I cannot tell the ingredients. I wish I could tell you more, but literally this has just launched. It's not even like being sold yet. So I think they're pre-ordering. Ooh, that smells really good. Smell that. Mm-hmm. All right.
Blossom?
That is the Lotus Blossom. You're right, Lotus Blossom. And then the last one, woo, slippery hands, is the vanilla. And who doesn't love vanilla? I think that most people love vanilla. I know there's probably people watching this that don't love vanilla.
I don't like vanilla.
But I like vanilla. And the nice thing is, a little bit goes a long way. Oh, that smells really nice. All right, Cinderellas. That was your unboxing here with the Artistry Shanghai collection. It is launching, I'm gonna link below, but it's launching next month. We're still in August. It's launching in September. I forget the exact date, but in a week or two, it should be coming out. So you'll be able to order it for yourselves and give it a shot and try it out. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned for some more looks. And as always, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share this video with anyone that can benefit from the information I showed you and share with you today. Love you guys. Bye.